Hello, this is Fred Bedard. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for Commaris. We're a new UAV company based in Boston, Massachusetts, with flight operations in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today with me, we're introducing here at Heli Expo 22 our Seeker UAV. Very capable, long-range aircraft, capable of traveling up to 150 miles, 3 hours worth of battery time. We have multiple payloads for surveillance, for agriculture, and so forth. We basically have introduced this 6 months ago. The product is currently shipping. You can go to our website at Commaris, COMMARIS.com to get all the information you need and contact us if you're interested. Again, this is for typically commercial work. From, like I said, again, agriculture, search and rescue, surveillance, any of those types of capabilities where you need something that's going to go stay up in the air for a long time, 3 to 5 hours with different batteries, and having a multitude of different payloads and radio and other technologies incorporated in the product. So again, Commaris.com. Thank you.